Welcome back, everybody. I'm back at my Blackstone AirFryer combo, and I'm hungry for breakfast. Delicious buttermilk biscuits. So we'll put the Blackstone griddle on medium heat and get that griddle top sizzling hot. You can use any kind of breakfast sausage, such as these Jimmy Dean products that I have in the fridge. But if you're new to this channel, I am a Rocky Mountain elk hunter. Today I'm using my Hunter's Blend breakfast sausage, your favorite cooking oil. I process my own wild game. This is 70% lean and trimmed elk meat with 30% pork shoulder. A shout out to the Duke of Riverton, Wyoming, Brian Tucker himself. When your sausage looks browned and beautiful like this, just transfer it into a cast iron skillet. And you can clean up your sausage residue. Always take care of your griddle top. Similar to cast iron cooking, if your griddle top doesn't always have a glisten of oil, you're doing it wrong. I'll kill these left two burners, and I'll leave these right two burners on medium. Move my cast iron skillet over to the right. People keep asking after all these years, can I put a cast iron skillet or a pot on my griddle top? Yes, you can. Whole cultured buttermilk, that's right. This buttermilk has been going to the theater and opera. A little bit of flour to thicken it up. The Hunter's Blend sausage has great seasoning, but I'm still gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper in because I like it spicy. The gravy will start to simmer in a few minutes. These are Kroger grocery store brand buttermilk biscuits, comparable to Pillsbury and fully capable of giving you a heart attack when they pop open. I have my air fryer preheated on medium, baskets out, Blackstone's non-stick cooking spray, and load the biscuits in the tray. Just like that. Now I can set my biscuit timer. Biscuits have been in for 4 minutes. Check that out. Biscuits already look perfect on the outside, so I'm gonna butter up the tops. Turn the dial down to low and put them back in the air fryer to finish cooking. Folks, your cooking times might vary. We're cooking outdoors here. We're not inside in the oven. There's no cookbook here. So just like on the cooktop, if it's a 20-degree day and freezing rain, same thing. Down here in the air fryer, it could be wind, it could be cold weather. So if I tell you something takes 6 minutes and it takes you 8 minutes, don't be alarmed. It's been about 8.5 to 9 minutes, and that's just about what I want my biscuits to look like. So we can put our biscuits over in our biscuit warming tray. Folks, can I get a thumbs up for these biscuits? We'll turn these left burners back on. I'll put down a few of the new Blackstone silicone egg rings. These will come in an 8-pack, 4 round and 4 square. Then just get to cracking. You definitely want to add a little bit of salt. Pepper too at my house. When the eggs have some form, you can just lift the rings and admire your beautiful eggs. Don't overcook your eggs, so turn those burners off. Grab those eggs down on your platter. Turn off my air fryer fan and go back in for the biscuits. This is the real deal, folks. Take a look at that. sausage, biscuits, and gravy. But until next time, this is Todd, and I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the biscuits.